How to change the display refresh rate on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to change the display refresh rate on iPhone, here is what should be done. So for this, head over to your device settings. Once you are on your device settings, scroll down and find accessibility. Once you are on your accessibility, tap on the option of motion. On this page, you will see limit frame rate. You will need to turn it on to cap at 60 fps or off to allow full Pro Motion 120Hz. However, keep in mind that this is not available on iPhone's base model. This is only available for the Pro versions, which means the base models are capped at a constant 60Hz refresh rate and don't support the Pro Motion. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.